So here in this problem, generally this page is kept as the front page or the front scene page. Why? Because we are going to solve the problem based on this particular configuration. This is nothing but a complementary push pull class B amplifier. Here you can see the diode is connected. Okay, the idea behind using this diode is to reduce the crossover distortion. So we are assuming that this circuit is free of any distortion and move ahead to solve the problem based on this. So for the given circuit, calculate maximum input power coming from the input signal, maximum output voltage, power handled by each of the transistor, and the efficiency when input signal is 12 volts RMS. So first we will find out the peak input voltage, which is given as root 2 times VI RMS. So the approximate value is 17 volts. VL is approximately equal to VI, as the amplifier has a unity voltage gain. Output power across the load is P0, which is given by VL square by P upon 2 RL. Now here we are considering the RMS value. So RMS value of the output load voltage is VL by root 2. So when you are substituting it over here, you will get as VL square by 2 RL. So which comes out to be 36.125 watts. Peak load current VL maximum output voltage at peak value upon RL. So that is 4.25 amperes. DC current from supply 2 upon pi IL peak value, so 2.71 amperes. Power from input source is VCC IDC, so 67.75 watts. Power dissipated by each transistor is PQ. 2 times PQ is the total power dissipated by a pair of transistor. So it is divided by 2. Take the difference of the two powers between the input and the output power and divide by 2. You will get the answer as 15.8 watts. In problem we have found out output power, input power, and calculate the efficiency based on this by taking the ratio of output power upon input power and express it in terms of percent. So answer what are expected, you make it a list of it: input power, output power, power handled by each transistor, and circuit efficiency. Next, in this is the same circuit. So for this given circuit you have to find out the maximum output power, maximum input power, efficiency because of these maximum power relations, and the power dissipated. So maximum input power is equal to 2 times VCC square upon pi RL, which comes out to be 19.47 watts. Maximum output power is VCC square upon 2 RL, so 78.125 watts. So difference between the output power and input power is by a fraction of 1 upon pi. The maximum efficiency is P0 max upon Pi max into 100, which comes out to be 78.54%. Next, for a maximum output power, the output voltage that has to be established is 25 volts. So power dissipated by output transistor is 21 watts. Summarize the answer: maximum input power, maximum output power, percentage efficiency, and the power dissipated. So we are continuing with the same problem. We are going to find out the maximum power dissipated and the input voltage at which it occurs. So maximum power dissipated is 2 times PQ, which is equal to VCC square, 2 times VCC square upon pi square RL. So it is coming out to be 31.66 watts. Here the parameter given are VCC is equal to 25 volts and RL is equal to 4 ohms. After substituting in the relation, you get the value as 31.66 watts. So maximum dissipation occurs when the output voltage is 0.36 times VL. So what we say is that the dissipation occurs at 63% of the maximum output, maximum load voltage. So it comes out to be 15.9 volts. Summarize the answer. So total power dissipated by the pair of transistor and maximum dissipation occurring at the load voltage of 15.9 volts.